Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Roselyn Gabayeron. I am going to show you how to make creamy tomato and shrimp pasta. These are the ingredients that we need. So 300 grams of linguine pasta or any kind of pasta that you prefer, 150 ml of cream, 1/3 cup of white wine, salt, oil, and black pepper, 22 pieces of prawns or shrimp. I'm gonna be using fresh tomatoes. I'm gonna puree them or chop. And since I don't have a normal different kind of onion, I'm gonna use the shallots and 2 cloves of garlic. And I have here Italian parsley. This is fresh from the garden. That's all the simple ingredients that we need for our creamy tomato and shrimp pasta. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so let's start to boil our linguine pasta. I already boiled the salted water with a little bit of oil in it. Yeah, so let's put our pasta in. For the meantime, let's chop our tomatoes and the rest of the ingredients. So I'm gonna puree the 3 tomatoes and the other one I'm just going to chop it. Right, so we're gonna saute the prawns. Pasta is cooked. Let's add in the prawns. Okay, let's put salt according to your taste. I'm not using any stock, so I'm gonna be using salt. For the meantime, let's chop our Italian parsley. wine already reduced into half of the amount, so let's add in our tomato puree. Put a little bit of water from the pasta water.